Hi, my name is Jordan Nguyen, and I've been the senior lead designer for TerraBlend for around 2 years now, and I've been rendering consistently for around a year. So we'll go over the basics like navigation, organization, and rendering settings, and we'll move up to like lighting, textures, and then we'll have things like moving objects where it'll get a little bit more challenging, and then we'll finish it off with animation settings. So that will be camera animation and object animation. So we're gonna go over and press your robot, so go to export, and then we're gonna change the format. So you can use Collada if you are fine with bigger files, but I actually recommend using GLTF, especially if you want to save storage space by having the resolution be coarse and then compressing it. And then make sure that you note that it will have all the hidden instances be saved in the export, and then press export. So you're going to press general in Blender, and that's going to make your own file. And then what you're going to do is go into Finder or wherever your Onshape file is saved and search up that name because that's what it's going to be saved as. So in this case it's robot, and then you're just going to drag it into Blender, and then you're going to look at some of the settings here that I have, but most of it is just going to be the same. And then once you're done, just click import and Blender will do the rest. So let's head over to edit and then preferences, and here we're just going to be changing the resolution scale to whatever the UI size that you want. And then we're going to head over to system and make sure that you're using GPU and not CPU. So you're always going to want to use GPU, it's much faster for rendering. And then change the undo steps to like around 100 so you're able to make more mistakes and go back. And then click the 3 bars and save these preferences so it loads up for default. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll be sure to leave my Discord down below so you're able to contact me if you have any questions, or you can just comment down below in the video. And in the next video, we'll be doing navigation and organization. With all that being said, this is 14525 TerraBlend signing out.